In this video, we're gonna look at the other aspect of equations, and this is to do with the exponential equations, or basically equations that have exponents with them, okay? So what are the tips? Number one, you need to create a similar basis on either sides of the equal signs, okay? This takes us back to the prime factorization, create the same basis. That is number one. Two, if we have a plus or minus in between the exponents, okay, then we're gonna factorize. Okay, factorize if there's a plus or a minus between the bases. Note, okay, let's note this. If we have a base to the exponent x and the same basis to the exponent of k, then we drop the bases and we equate the exponents, which means our answer will be a k. If we have a different base to the exponent of y and a completely different base to the same exponent of y, so we can drop the exponents and we consider the bases as our answer. So these are the two fundamental things that we're going to use in solving the exponential equations. So we have 4 questions that we're going to be working on. So just sit, relax, and see how we're going to kill these ones, okay? So number one, we have 3 to the x plus 1. Now we said we need to create the same basis. How do we create a base of 3 with a 1? Remember we said with our definitions, 1 can be expressed in multiple bases to the exponent of 0, okay? 3 to the 0 is a 1. All right, so the bases are the same. Let's kill the bases. We have x plus 1 is a 0, which means x is negative 1, okay? Let's get to the second one, which is just more or less the same approach. Ne? So it's going to be 5 to the 2p is equal to 5 to the 0. All right, it's fine. Makes sense. Drop the bases. 2p is a 0, which means p is a 0 if you divide both sides by 2. All right, number 3. Number 3. We have 3 to the 1 over p is equal to 81. All right. Let's break this 81 to a base of 3. So prime factorization by 3 is 27, by 3 is a 9, by 3 gives us a 3. We have 4 3s, okay? So 3 to the 1 of p is equal to 3 to the 4. Let's kill the bases, so which means 1 over p is the same as 4. We need p to be a numerator. Let's crisscross. So 4p is a 1, and then p is going to become a quarter. All right, so p is a quarter, then that is our answer. Then lastly, number 4, where we have a minus. Let's use the plus sign as the question says. So we said it's a 2 to the p. This is just a 2 to the 1. Minus, we said a 2 to the p is equal to 8. Okay, so 2 to the p is common. So 2 to the p into 2 minus 1 is equal to 8. We know that 2 minus 1 is basically 1. So 2 to the p, let's express this as an exponential format, which is 2 cubed. Drop the bases, which means p is a 3. All right, so that is what happens, and that is how easy it was. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Let's meet in the next aspect. Bye-bye.